that my Redeemer lives. What comfort this sweet sentence gives. He lives who once was dead. He lives, my ever-living head. He lives to bless me with His love. He lives to plead for me above. He lives, my hungry soul to feed. He lives to help in time of need. He lives and grants me daily breath. He lives and I shall conquer death. He lives, my mansion to